Hello everyone, Drishti IAS welcomes you to the new series of To The Point. Today's topic of discussion is UV index. First of all, let's see why is it in the news. Recently, a webinar was conducted on disinfection using ultraviolet radiation. Experts also highlighted the growing danger of UV radiation. Now let's understand what is UV index. The UV index tells how much ultraviolet radiation is around at ground level on a given day and its potential to harm human skin. This index was devised in 2002 by the WHO, that is World Health Organization. This is prepared in an effort to make people around the world more aware of the risk. The index boils down several factors into a single number that gives you an idea of how careful you need to be in the sun. A score of 1 or 2 is low, 3 to 5 is moderate, 6 or 7 is high, 8 to 10 is very high, and 11 and above is extreme. UV index is different across different locations due to a variety of factors like pollution, hole in the ozone layer, etc. Now let's understand what is UV radiation. The sun showers Earth with light at a huge spectrum of different wavelengths, and each wavelength can have a slightly different effect on human skin. UV radiation is a component of sunlight that can cause tanning and sunburn in the short term. And in the longer term, too much exposure to UV can cause cataracts and skin cancer. Now let's discuss about the classification of UV radiation. There are 3 types of UV radiation. First is UVC. It has a short wavelength and it is most harmful but are completely absorbed by the Earth's atmosphere and do not reach the Earth's surface. Second is UVB. In this, there is medium wavelength. It is biologically active but cannot penetrate beyond the superficial skin layers. It is responsible for delayed tanning and burning. It enhances skin aging and significantly promotes the development of skin cancer. Exposure to UVB rays can cause DNA and cellular damage in living organisms, and most solar UVB is filtered by the atmosphere. Third is UVA. In this, the wavelength is relatively long and it accounts for approximately 95% of the UV radiation reaching the Earth's surface. It penetrates into the deeper layers of the skin and is responsible for immediate tanning and enhances the development of skin cancers. Now let's understand that how is the UV index calculated. The UV index takes into account how much UV radiation of different wavelengths is around and how each of those wavelengths affects our skin. It is calculated at the Australian Radiation Protection and Nuclear Safety Agency, that is ARPA-NSA. ARPA-NSA has a network of sensors measuring sunlight at different wavelengths to determine the UV index, with the information available online in real time. This data is combined with other information about location, cloud cover, and atmospheric conditions to produce maps and forecast of the UV index. Now it's time for the practice question. Consider the following statements. 1. UVC is the most harmful type of UV radiation which causes skin cancer. 2. UV index was devised in 2002 by the World Health Organization. Which of the above statement or statements is or are correct? 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, or neither 1 nor 2? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Dear viewers, watch this topic in Hindi on our Drishti IAS Hindi YouTube channel.